What if I told you there's a way to make money with ChatGPT for free? You're probably thinking that's not possible, but it's true. You can make money with ChatGPT without spending a dime. You're likely feeling frustrated because you've been trying to make money online, but it's just not working out. You've spent money on courses, tools, and software, but you're still not seeing any results. You're wasting about $20 per month on tools that don't work, and you're missing out on opportunities to make real money. You're feeling left behind because everyone else seems to be making money online, but you're not. You're spending about 5 hours per week trying to figure things out, but you're just not getting anywhere. You're feeling overwhelmed because there's so much information out there, and you don't know what to do. You'll learn how to make money with ChatGPT by the end of this video. You'll discover 5 ways to use ChatGPT to make money, and you'll be able to start making money right away. You can potentially earn up to $100 per week using ChatGPT, depending on your skills and the demand for your services, and you can start for free. 1 is content creation. ChatGPT can help you create content like blog posts and social media posts. You can use ChatGPT to write articles and then sell them to websites and blogs. To use ChatGPT for content creation, you need to sign up for a free account, and then you need to start asking ChatGPT questions. You can ask ChatGPT to write a blog post on a specific topic, and then you can use that post to make money. For example, you can sell a blog post to a website for about $20. You can also use ChatGPT to write social media posts, and then you can sell those posts to businesses. Experienced freelancers can charge between $20 to $100 per social media post, and you can potentially earn up to $50 per week by selling them. But this next one is even better. 2 is affiliate marketing. ChatGPT can help you find affiliate programs, and then you can use ChatGPT to create content that promotes those programs. You can use ChatGPT to write emails, and then you can send those emails to your list. To use ChatGPT for affiliate marketing, you need to sign up for an affiliate program, and then you need to start using ChatGPT to create content. You can ask ChatGPT to write an email that promotes a product, and then you can send that email to your list. For example, you can make about $30 per sale, and you can make about 10 sales per week. You can also use ChatGPT to write social media posts that promote affiliate programs. But this next one is a secret. 3 is online coaching. ChatGPT can help you become an online coach, and then you can use ChatGPT to create content that helps your clients. You can use ChatGPT to write emails, and then you can send those emails to your clients. To use ChatGPT for online coaching, you need to sign up for a free account, and then you need to start asking ChatGPT questions. You can ask ChatGPT to write a coaching plan, and then you can use that plan to help your clients. For example, you can make about $100 per hour, and you can coach about 5 clients per week. You can also use ChatGPT to write social media posts that promote your coaching services. But this next one is a surprise. 4 is ebook creation. ChatGPT can help you create ebooks, and then you can sell those ebooks on websites like Amazon. You can use ChatGPT to write an ebook, and then you can sell that ebook for about $10. To use ChatGPT for ebook creation, you need to sign up for a free account, and then you need to start asking ChatGPT questions. You can ask ChatGPT to write a chapter, and then you can use that chapter in your ebook. For example, you can make about $500 per month by selling ebooks. You can use ChatGPT to assist in writing a book proposal, and then you can use that proposal to pitch to publishers or self-publishing platforms, potentially increasing your chances of getting published. But this next one is the best. 5 is website creation. ChatGPT can help you create a website, and then you can use that website to make money. You can use ChatGPT to write content, and then you can use that content to attract visitors. To use ChatGPT for website creation, you need to sign up for a free account, and then you need to start asking ChatGPT questions. You can ask ChatGPT to write a blog post, and then you can use that post on your website. With a well-designed website and a targeted audience, you can potentially earn between $100 to $1,000 per month from advertising, depending on your website's traffic and engagement. You can also use ChatGPT to write social media posts that promote your website. You should watch our next video to learn more about making money with AI. We'll be talking about how to use AI to create and sell online courses. Experienced course creators can earn between $500 to $2,000 per month by selling online courses, depending on the quality of their content, marketing, and audience demand. You'll also learn how to use AI to create and sell ebooks, and you'll be able to make about $1,000 per month by doing so.